Hi, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to transfer a whole website in another website. This action is also called website migration. Today, I'll show you how to transfer a website from localhost to live server. So let's get started. At first, I'll need a plugin called Duplicator, which I use to migrate the website. Okay, so I'll go to the plugins and then click on the add new button. I'll add a plugin. Now search for Duplicator. Here's the plugin. Click on install now button. Plugin is installed. Simply activate the plugin by clicking on activate button. Okay, now the Duplicator plugin is installed successfully. And then I will go to the Duplicator option and we'll go to the settings option. Press on package button. I'll use dub archive as my backup file. So I'll click on dub archive and save package settings. Now the setup is complete and I will now create a package. So as you can see, there is no package found. I will now create a new package by clicking on add new button. So here's the first step. I'll go to the archive tab and enable file filter. So that's all. Now click on the next button. When the scan is complete, I can be eligible for building backup. So the scan is completed successfully. Okay, so now we have to download this package and upload it into our live server. So I will download these two files, installer and the archive file. And now we have to upload these two files into our live server. So I will go to the live server and I will use this domain, this subdomain. Actually, I'll use this subdomain to implement this migration. Okay, so I'll go to this subdomain folder and upload. Where is the upload? Yes, I'll just drag and drop the upload file here. Our backup file is uploaded and ready to use. I'll now search the domain in the browser. So here's the two file that I uploaded. Now we need to click on the installer file to run the process. I'll click on the accept button and click on next button. This is the simple process, you know. So number 2 step is using a database. I have already created a database before. And the username and the password. So you have to validate first. So click on the test database. So the requirements are passed and the notice also passed. Then click on next button. Okay, now so the process is complete. Click on next, and I hope the migration is now complete. So I'll click on the admin login button and I will log in first. So it will be admin and my password. And remember, username and password is the similar as the website that you migrated. Okay, so the unwanted file is removed successfully. So if we want to view the website to check if it complete or not, here's the website. So I hope you guys understand how to migrate a website. If you have any questions, please comment here. Bye.